Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to release the bonnet on this Mercedes if it ever does get stuck. And it is a fairly common problem, and then I'm going to show you how to prevent it in the future. So let's get to it. I'm just going to go under here and just pull it gently, and you don't want to really go any further than that because it will snap. And it is actually quite weak plastic just below there. If it does snap, yeah, you can use a pair of pliers on the plastic. Just make sure you don't use the snippy part of the pliers, just the blunt end, just to pull it, otherwise you might snip the cable. As you can see, it's really stiff. So what we're going to do is get some WD-40 and just squirt it in there, and then we're going to get an assistant to bang around here, just gently, paying particular attention to the middle, because that's where the catch actually is. And then you've got two sort of dampers either side, which again can sort of get a bit stuck.
Later on in the video, you'll see the bonnet up, and there's two more locations left and right of this where you need to spray some WD-40. So while you've got a little helper inside, pulling on that red tab, not too hard, you're just going to bash it around here and also left and right of the badge, and you'll see in a minute where. In the end, I just put one hand there and one hand there and just push down at the same time, and managed to get it undone. So I was actually wrong. I was right about this part, okay. It's been a while since I've actually owned a Merc, and yeah, it's got these two clips here which actually do get stuck. So we're just going to investigate them and then spray them up with WD-40. You see that one's a bit stiff. Let's press that one. That one's really stiff, so that's probably the one which is sticking the most. So yeah, push down in the middle, give it a couple of bangs there, and it should come out. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you check the comments, there's going to be a playlist for all things maintenance on this Mercedes-Benz.